bulb. It's already removed. We used a Biega here with a non-stop. Biega non-stop there. And this is a Nipco with a stop. Right. Good morning. So we are replacing shower bulb at the hallway bathroom. We're just trying to replace the bulb yesterday, but for some reason I think the hot water is so hot, so we've been trying not to break the bulb. So this is Robert. Remove those bulbs. They call it Delta, but this is the old school Delta. So we have to remove this section of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, basically. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that. I think we're good to go to do this one. Okay, guys, watch for the rest of the video. Thank you. We're gonna cut with a new Milwaukee
middle
pipe cutter. This is like a 5, so you can see it's cut now already. Yeah. So we already cut it. Cut the same height if you want. Easy like a butter. That's right there. That's already cut. Wow, this is pretty cool, huh? The bulb is already removed, so we have to copy the way it is, and we're gonna weld it out together. So this is basically what we're gonna copy. Okay, guys, keep an eye on that. Get this thing cold a little bit because it's hot. So I just dip it in the water. I can hold it. But see, this is the up, going to overhead and going to the air gap. And then I guess we're good to go. We're gonna go back to the site. Alright guys, so we are going to continue this one. We're using this Biega, and then they call a non-stop on this one. So what we do, we have to use this pro press machine. On the right side, we don't use one of those. This is the one with the stop. Put it down. It has to be all the way down. Good to go on this one. We have to be all the way in. Straight. And this is the overhead. Okay, this is it. So we already put it back the water. The ProPress is the best. So I don't see any water leakage. So, and it's a flameless. That's what they call flameless. So we use the Biega here with a non-stop. Biega non-stop there. And this is a Nibco with a stop. Because I don't have the Biega with a stop. So I have to get that one in Lowe's. So this is an with stop. This is with stop, and this is a no stop, the Biega. So now we're putting back the water already. I don't see any leak, and this is still shut. Finished product. You see, it's working good. It's really warm. Whew, that's hot. Okay, guys, so we're done here with my client before that we redone the shower bulb with the new Delta. Hopefully, you guys like it. Thank you.